Seagull King of the Dragon Diver Watch Review 300-meter sapphire crystal, real test results. You strap on your daily watch and head to the beach, but the whole time you're nervous about splashing water on it, because deep down you know it cannot handle real submersion. A friend ruined his watch during a simple snorkeling trip last summer, never worked again after 10 minutes underwater. That quiet anxiety follows you everywhere near water. It should not be this stressful. Have you settled for a watch that limits where you go? Every time you hesitate before jumping into the ocean or even washing dishes aggressively, that hesitation costs you small moments of freedom that quietly add up over months. You end up replacing watches every year because mineral glass scratches within weeks. Cheap movements lose minutes daily, and flimsy straps snap at the worst possible times. The mental drain builds. There is a smarter path that delivers real durability, precision, and versatility without compromise or constant worry. Then I discovered the Seagull King of the Dragon automatic mechanical watch, and everything changed. Do not settle for just any dive watch. Choose one with genuine 300-meter water resistance and sapphire crystal protection, so you never deal with fogged dials or scratched glass again. This 2024 Model 1216 features a precise 28-joule automatic self-wind movement powered entirely by your wrist motion. No batteries, no interruptions, just dependable mechanical craftsmanship from one of China's most historic watchmakers. The sapphire crystal ranks at 9 on the Mohs hardness scale, meaning everyday scratches simply bounce off, while mineral glass alternatives show wear within weeks. Luminous hands and markers glow clearly underwater in low visibility conditions, and a complete calendar keeps the date instantly accessible. A diving instructor once shared that his previous watch fogged at 15 meters during certification. After switching to this Seagull, he took it beyond 40 meters repeatedly without a single issue. The stainless steel case feels solid and reassuring against salt water. And here is the bonus. 2 straps come included, nylon for active days and a stainless steel bracelet for more refined settings. Your daily routine transforms when the watch on your wrist actually keeps up with your lifestyle instead of limiting it. Mornings become effortless when one watch carries you from a business meeting to an afternoon swim without hesitation. The nylon strap dries quickly after ocean exposure, while the 316L stainless steel bracelet elevates your presence for the evening. 2 distinct styles in one package. One industry analyst noted, "This Seagull competes directly with offerings from Orient and entry-level Seiko divers, matching or exceeding them in several specifications, while including sapphire crystal where competitors still rely on mineral glass." A content creator featured the 1216 as the standout piece, built for real water use, not just fashion diving. A long-term owner reported that after 4 months of daily wear, including pool and ocean use, the sapphire crystal showed 0 visible scratches, and the movement required adjustment only once every 2 weeks. The 13.6mm case thickness delivers a solid feel without becoming bulky under a shirt cuff. Purpose-driven design that balances presence with comfort. Wondering if a Chinese mechanical movement can rival Swiss reliability? The 28-joule Seagull caliber has powered millions of watches worldwide for nearly 70 years. That legacy speaks for itself. Share what matters most to you below. The Seagull King of the Dragon mechanical automatic watch delivers what most watches at this level simply cannot. True 300-meter confidence, sapphire crystal durability, and dual-strap versatility in one refined design. Collectors and first-time automatic buyers alike are recognizing why the 1216 continues to earn loyal owners season after season, with certain dial variations selling faster than others. Check the link in the description or pinned comment for the latest availability and configuration options. Your wrist deserves a watch that moves with your life, not one that quietly holds it back.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.